if you don't have a PLC, still you will be able to download the PLC program to the emulator software. Yes guys, RS Logic's emulator software behaves like a PLC hardware. Okay, so if you don't have a physical PLC, no need to worry. Still, you will be able to develop ladder logic and you will be able to download the program to the emulator software to cross check your inputs and outputs and everything is working fine as per your logic or not. So for that, you need to open RS Logic's emulator software. Here it is emulator software. You'll open it. Okay, so I'll show you how we can utilize emulator software, how we can make a successful communication between RS Logics and links and emulator software. We'll make a program and we'll download the program to the RS emulator software. Okay, so we will open an emulator software here. We have opened RS Logics 500. Meanwhile, we'll open RS links also. See, there are three softwares. You need RS Logic's 500, then RS links, and then you need RS Logic's emulator. Okay, so we have opened all the softwares here. This is the RS Logic's 500, this is RS links, and this is emulator software. Emulator software behaves like a physical hardware. Okay, so you don't need to close it, just minimize it. Now, before developing a program, what you need to do is go to communication to RS links, then configure drive. Here I have already selected this. I'll delete it as of now just for better understanding. Okay, here in the drop down you need to select SLC 500, this DH484 emulator driver, and then press add new. See, when you have a physical PLC and you are communicating with the help of Ethernet cable, you need to select Ethernet device. But what if you don't have physical PLC? For that you need to select this SLC 500. Okay, and then click on add new. Give name whatever you want to give, otherwise press OK. Okay. Now close it. Now if you check this tree here in the drop down button, see one PLC workstation is already there. Now that means your communication between RS Logics and emulator software is successful. Now what we will do is we will make a program into the RS Logic software and then we will save it and download to the emulator software to cross check inputs and outputs. So let's start. We'll go to file, then new. Here we want to select the PLC. The limitation of emulator software is it is supported by few PLC only. It is not supported by Micrologic's 1400 series B. So you need to select Micrologic's 1100 series B. We are selecting it. Here you need to develop a program. For that, what you need to do is select a rung and insert rung. Now we'll simply put one input, drag here, and this is the output. You need to drag here. Okay, let me give you a input name I0/0. This everything we will learn the addressing of the input later on. As of now I'm just writing input addressing and output addressing, output 0/0. Okay, and then verify, click verify projects. See, there are verifiers completed, no errors found, is notification is here. That means you can successfully download the program. Before downloading, press file, save. Here let's give a name 24/7 trial. Click on save. Okay, now what you need to do is go to the emulator software, click on file, click on open. You need to select that saved file which is on the desktop. Press open and just randomly write down any numbers over here on the station and 3, and then see this, the file name is written over here. Then press run. Now what you need to do is just simply minimize it, don't close it. Or emulator software is on with the file, or rs link software is also on. Here we have already made communication. Okay, see, now we have, when you have entered 3, this is a 3 PLC over here. At the time of downloading you need to select this 3 Micrologix 1100. Okay, so minimize this and then come change this to the emulator, and emulator will work as a physical PLC. This is the emulator software which we have configured. Now this 3 number workstation is online as of now. Click on download. Okay, yes, yes, yes. After pressing all yes, 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 left side, here you need to click on run. Now see, even if you do not have any physical PLC, you are online with the emulator software. If you check force on, if you check any force off button here, if your input is on, output is on, output is off, output is off. This is how emulator software works. Even if you don't have physical PLC, you can make some programs over here and you can cross-check your ladder logic. So this is the advantage for the students, and the good thing is this is a lifetime free software. Okay, the limitation is only you can develop few PLCs only, but for the beginners I think it is okay, completely okay, there's no issue. And then here again we'll go to offline. If you want to add something else, like let's add some new run, and we will keep our another input like input 0/1. Then we'll verify the file, and then again let's see how to download. So go to system communication, then press this, click on download. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Here go to run. See, now you are online again with the emulator software. So this is the best part, that with the help of emulator you can cross check your inputs and outputs. See, this path is very clear. So if I have made this input on, your output is on. Okay, if this is on, of course this will be on. If I'll make this off, still this will be on. Why? Because this is on. So this is how you can check your programs with the help of emulator software. Thank you.